Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, Maria. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do voiceover, your voiceover narration in Canva using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's do this. All right, now we're here on Google. So all you have to do is just to go to Google and download the Audacity. So go to audacity.com, then type that and Audacity. Okay.com. This is a free software that you can use to record your voice. Okay, so let's go there, and then here you go. So you have to download the Audacity. Here you go. Just download it. If you're using a window, then you download a window, and if you're using a Mac, so here are some of those software that you can choose from. So it depends on the computer you are using, but I already downloaded it. I'm using Windows, so let's go to my Audacity. So this is a free software, guys. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to read a script, or whatever you want to narrate, and then we're going to save it, and then we're going to upload it to Canva. Okay, so now here we're going to start here, and I have my script here. So write your script to read the narration that you want to put onto your video. So I'm going to make a short recording here. So here you see on the top there is a red button here, so I have to do is just to click that red button. So make sure that you set up your microphone so you are ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to click this red button, and then I'm going to read my script. I am grateful for the gifts I receive from others. My heart holds gratitude towards others, myself, and the greater good. I am open to receive and give love. I release hurts through compassion, kindness, and thankfulness. I am grateful for my health. I rejoice in the way things are. All right, so this is the short script that I'm going to use to upload in Canva. Okay, so now here, if you make a mistake, now here in Audacity, you can always edit your script. All right, if you don't like this, or if you make a mistake, I'm going to play this from the beginning so that I know where I make a mistake. I am grateful for the gifts I receive from others. My heart holds gratitude towards others, myself, and the greater good. I am open to receive and give love. I really. All right, so now here I make a mistake. So all you have to do is just to click this one and drag over here where you want it to cut that. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut this one here. Click the delete, and then now you already edit your mistake. Okay, so let's hear again from here. Give love. I release hurts through compassion, kindness, and thankfulness. I am grateful for my breath. I'm okay, so I make a mistake again here. Just click this one, highlight it, and drag it wherever you want, and then now you go. And let's see. And thankfulness. I am grateful for my health. I rejoice in the way things are. All right, so that's the end. All right, so this is my sample voiceover. So what you're gonna do once you've done your recording and you already make the editing, or you delete whatever mistake you have to go to the file. Once you've done your recording, click the export, and you're going to export this to MP3. Okay, so export that to MP3, and then there you go. I'm going to title this Canva E3. All right, so I'm going to save it to my desktop so I can easily see it later on. And then now it's saving to my, okay, I'm now, okay, then click OK. So now let's see if it is on my desktop. All right, so now here you go. So let's go back to Canva. Okay, there you go. So now here, I'm going to upload my audio. Okay, go to your uploads. You see that? And you see here there's an images, there's a videos, there's an audio. So I'm going to upload the audio that I recorded on the Audacity. Okay, click that audio and then upload a media. You see this one? Okay, click that upload media, and it will take you to your computer. So I think I save it into my desktop, and then I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, so now there you go. So this is the script, the narration, a voiceover that I'm recorded in Audacity. So I'm gonna click this one, and you will see here down. I am grateful for the gifts I receive from others. My heart holds gratitude towards others, myself, and oops, you see it cuts. So that means that my voiceover is not enough for this page. So what you're gonna do, guys, is to add another page. All you have to do is just to duplicate this one, just duplicate the page, and it will give you another page here so that your voiceover keep going to wherever you want it to end to. Okay, so let's play again from the beginning. So let's see if this is enough. If not enough, you can add another page, or you can go to the template and then upload another kind of videos, but it's different from this. Okay, so let's hear about. I am grateful for the gifts I receive from others. My heart holds gratitude towards others, myself, and the greater good. I am open to receive and give love. I release hurts through compassion, kindness, and thankfulness. I am grateful for my. All right. Still not enough, right? So if you want to add another page, you can add another page, and you can also use different kind of background. So what you're gonna do is go through the templates, or maybe a video here on the videos. Click that videos, and it will gives you here a lot of templates that you want to add to your videos. Okay, so let's say you see they're free here and free here. There's so many templates here that is free. All right, well, if I wanna, okay, so now if you see this with a crown, with this yellow gold crown, this means that this is, you can only use this if you have a Canva Pro account. So if you want to try a Canva Pro account, so you can use more tools from Canva, I will put the link on the description, and you can get a 30 days trial so that you can use and try some Canva Pro tools. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is to click this plus button, and then it will add a new background. So you wanna, if you wanna use this, if you wanna use that, it's all up to you. Okay, so if I click this one, now that new background will pop up into the next page. So I think my voiceover is enough for this. All right, there you go. So it's too much, right? So I can cut the rest of this, but I think I'm going to cut one of this. All you have to do is just to click that one, and then right click, and then delete that page. All right, so you don't have the same page all the time. So they're gonna see this one, and then you're gonna see this one, and then you're going to cut it out wherever your voiceover end up. Okay, I think it's end up here. So here, right click, and then split. Okay, so we don't need this part, we don't need this page. So right click again, and then we're going to delete this page. All right, so now we have two pages here, but in different background. But you can always change this anytime. It doesn't affect your narration or voiceover, whatever. I'm just giving you an example of how you can put a voiceover for your videos. Well, it depends on your content. All right, there you go. So now, guys, this one we already fixed this one, right? It all fitted on the frame, but this one we need to drag it up here. Hold on. We drag it down there, and then just stretch up here so it will fit to your video. So that's how it looks like. All right, so now once you've done with that, okay, here is your voiceover down here, and you can always you can always adjust it, or the volume that you want. You can adjust is the volume here. If it is too loud, you can just move that one, and then here, and then the other one here is you can also adjust it. If you want to cut somewhere, you can also do that here. And yes, so this is how you can upload your own voiceover audio to your video. Hold on, if you want to change this one, you can. If you don't need that, you can just delete it, or you can just delete this one at the same time. Or if you want to write something here, click the here at the on your left, the text one, and then it will give you the font or the text that you want to. Like for example, let's do this, and if you want to type something that what I'm saying here is like my first narration is I am grateful for the gifts. I am grateful for the gifts. Okay, you can just play with this whatever you want it to put, and if you want to change the font, click that one, and it will give you some you can choose some fonts here that you want to. And if you want to change the color, you can just click this one, and it will give you some different kinds of colors here that you want to use for your presentation or for your videos. All right, so this is just a simple tutorial on how you can upload your audio using Audacity, record your audio to Audacity, and then export it to MP3 and upload it to Canva. All right. I hope this tutorial helps you guys. So it's easy to create a voiceover narration using Audacity that is free. And if you have any questions regarding Audacity, let me know down in the comments and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time. Bye for now.